Unlock precision with the Revopoint MIRACO Plus 3D scanner. Meet the Revopoint MIRACO Plus, a handheld 3D scanner designed to power your creative and professional aspirations. With up to 0.02 mm precision, it captures tiny details and large-scale objects effortlessly, bringing unparalleled detail to every scan. Equipped with quad-depth cameras and a 48MP RGB sensor, MIRACO Plus handles the most complex geometries with ease. Zoom into intricate textures with infrared optical zoom while ensuring lifelike color accuracy. Tackling indoor or outdoor projects? This portable scanner delivers consistent, high-quality results no matter the environment. The MIRACO Plus features dual scanning modes, single shot for exact details or up to 20 frames per second for fast continuous scans. Export professional-grade scans in widely supported formats like OBJ or STL, ready for CAD modeling or 3D printing. And with 2-hour battery life and lightweight design, portability comes standard. Whether you're reverse engineering machinery, building intricate prototypes, or exploring hobbyist designs, the MIRACO Plus pairs accuracy with innovation. Start scanning with intuitive software and enjoy peace of mind with 24/7 customer support and a 2-year warranty. Ready to elevate your 3D scanning game? Visit the link in the description today and experience the future of precision design.